In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI with Google Sheets. If your Claude account supports Google Workspace connectors, this is a simple way to let Claude work with information from a spreadsheet stored in Google Drive. Instead of copying and pasting a lot of data manually, you can connect the file directly and then ask Claude to help summarize, analyze, or answer questions about what's inside. To get started, open Claude in your browser. Once you're in, look for the option to connect external tools or services. If you're prompted to connect your Google Drive account, go ahead and do that first. This step allows Claude to access files you choose from your Google Drive, including Google Sheets documents. As always, make sure you're only granting access in a secure environment and to the correct Google account that contains the spreadsheet you want to use. After your Google Drive is connected, click the plus button inside Claude. This is typically where you attach content or bring in files from connected sources. From the menu that appears, choose Drive. That will open your connected Google Drive so you can browse or search for the spreadsheet you want to work with. Next, select your Google Sheets file. If you have a lot of files in Drive, using the search function can save time and help you find the right spreadsheet more quickly. Once you attach the file, Claude can use the content of that sheet as context for your conversation. From there, you can start asking Claude to help with the spreadsheet. For example, you can ask it to summarize the data, analyze trends, explain key takeaways, or answer specific questions about the information in the file. This is especially useful if you're reviewing reports, organizing data, or trying to quickly understand a spreadsheet without reading every cell yourself. One helpful tip is to be as specific as possible with your prompts. If you want a better result, tell Claude exactly what kind of analysis or summary you want. Clear instructions usually lead to more useful answers. You should also keep in mind that Claude's ability to access Google Sheets this way depends on whether your account includes Google Workspace connector support. And that's all it takes to use Claude AI with Google Sheets through Google Drive. Once connected, it becomes much easier to explore spreadsheet data, ask questions naturally, and save time when working with large or detailed files.